Hi, a word or two about some of the sounds that you can hear in my videos, present and future. Hitherto the jingles that I've made at the starts of the videos have been made on this sequencer program, which is a Linux music studio program, a kind of pattern-based sequencer program, which is quite nice. But I actually like hardware, and so we've had a major sort out in the house here recently, and I've resurrected my lovely batch of synths here. So we'll just quickly go through them. This is a Korg micro sampler. That's a MIDI keyboard that controls this, which is a Macbeth M3X analog synthesizer made in Scotland by Ken Macbeth. That's an effects unit. That's a little mixer. This is a Korg Electribe, a sample-based pattern sequencer. This is another Korg Electribe, which is the synthesizer-based version. Both of these are good for programming beats and rhythms, but altogether make a very versatile setup, and they're lovely bits of gear, these. You won't hear anything here, but just press play and it goes, but they're very, very programmable. And then there's this, my kind of bread and butter synth, which is the Korg MS2000. So you've heard, if you've looked back at my channel, you'll see that I've made a couple of music tracks back in the day, but I haven't touched these synths for a long time, and I really want to kind of just use them in a very basic way for now, because I'm involved in more kind of maker projects in the workshop, live stream and so on, so I don't want to get sort of pulled onto another track at this point in time. So I will keep it simple, but you know, it's just nice to have this as an option, because I like hardware. It's nice to make music with real keys and knobs and so on. So I'm going to try and incorporate a little bit of this in my videos in the next coming time. So let's see how it goes anyway.